Amanda?
Yeah.
I was like,
She was in the front. I was like, do they come inside or do I go outside?
I was like,
man.
that don't look like no Amanda.
Thanks, man.
You have a good one. Do a nice little DoorDash ride along, starting at the beginning of the dinner shift. It is a nice rainy day. Rainy day today. Look at all this rain. It's cloudy, gloomy, rain. You know, it is what it is, but I don't mind the rain because that's increasing the chances for peak pay. You know, don't chase peak pay, but it's a nice little bonus. And with it being a rainy start to this dinner shift, it's a good chance for that bonus. Alrighty, so I got my next 2 orders this time. At the same time, doing some multi-app, and I got $6.31 for 3.1 miles right here on Grubhub. That order is for Teriyaki Madness, and heading in the same direction, I have a $10.95 order for 4 miles at McDonald's. So we're gonna snatch up both of those real quick, and we're gonna drop them off. Both are going in the same direction. Stack those orders together, maximize on your hourly earnings. Alrighty, so this one gonna be a first for me. I got a United Way delivery. It's a 10 items, 50 miles for $47.50. 50 miles for $47.50. I ain't never got an order like this. It's 10 stops on her. 10 items. I'm about to pick it up and I'm about to see what it's like. Just as an experiment, I'm gonna do this one. $47. If I can get it done in 2 hours, I'll be happy. So let's get it done.
Okay. If I could just take your phone to check you in. I mean,
It's my first time being here too.
Yeah. 153. What is going on?
So is it a lot of like big items or heavy stuff that you know?
Just do it. 26. So it is just gonna be the little boxes.
For real? Oh snap!
Awesome.
I'm gonna come back and do more of these then. Is there any way? I mean, I guess I could just be here at 1 to.
So there's actually dashers who come to the parking lot and just wait.
All right.
Yep.
Okay.
All of the orders are about that average for what
Nice,
you paid.
nice.
So
So you said Friday at 1.
Friday at 1,
Is that-
dashers receive at about 12:45.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
That actually would give me something to do on Friday.
Again.
Oh, you'll see me on Friday for sure. Because look, I usually don't even dash on Friday. Man, look at that. Wow.
Yep, so it doesn't matter who gets which box.
Awesome.
Yes. Yep.
Alrighty guys, my channel is The Dashing Trader. Check me out. There you go. No problem. You have a good one.
You too.
App froze. Can't even continue with my deliveries. You gotta love it. DoorDash, best app in the world. Look at that, just stuck. 8 more deliveries to go and I'm just stuck. Okay, so I like that United Way donation drop off. I got done with all 10 of those deliveries in less than an hour. So that's $47 in 1 hour. I'm about to head back there and see if I can grab another one of those orders, because that's a great way to maximize right there. Didn't even have to worry about multi-apping, doing no Grubhub or no Uber. All DoorDash. $47 for 1 hour. Let's go. I'm back. Red Robin, nope. Alrighty, so just got my next order right here at Five Guys Burgers and Fries. $6.50 for what's that? 2.6 miles. That's perfect miles to money ratio right there. But what I really like is it got 4 items on it. So Five Guys Burgers and Fries, 4 items is probably a meal and like a shake or something. Perfect order for some hidden tips. We're gonna check back once we get this one done. Alrighty, so got that first one picked up, and guess what? Good old DoorDash came through. They sent me another one, $5.50 for an additional mile. Now normally I don't take no $5.50 for 1 mile, but if I'm already here, I'm already picking up one and it's going in the same direction, I stack that extra mile, you know, extra mile, extra $5.50, I stack that together. So we're gonna check back. Alrighty, so got my next order of the evening. It is a Hy-Vee grocery shop and deliver. $6.75 for 1 item, 1 mile. Let's get it. About to get this one knocked off real quick. We're gonna check back. Ain't gonna be no hidden tips to shop and deliver, but it's 1 item and it's 1 mile away. So I'm basically getting paid to bring somebody 1 item. Let's get it done.
Somebody got some pinky ass feet.
Have you used your Hy-Vee Fuel Saver Plus Perks Rewards card?
I mean, let me ask me all them dumbass questions.
Two hours later.
Now see, this is what I'm talking about right here. DoorDash be tripping. $2.50 for 1.9 miles. Who is taking these? If you're taking these, I need you to do something right now. I need you to put your phone down, open up the laptop, and fill out a job application for Walmart. They pay 17 bucks an hour, okay? Do not take these, all right? You can go over to Burger King, okay? They will give you at least 13 bucks an hour. No tip, no trip. I'm not playing. Amanda?
Yeah.
I was like,
You was in the front. I was like, do they come inside or do I go outside?
I was like, that don't look like no Amanda.
Thanks, man.
Have a good one.